Assalamu alaikum students. In this video lecture we are going to discuss some remaining points of the yesterday's topic, which was sources of ideology, and also throw light on the significance of ideology, why ideology is so significant for humans. Let's deal first with sources of ideology. The remaining the remaining source is number 5, common customs. Common customs have played a vital role in the formation and development of ideas in every age. Common customs create ideological harmony with respect culture and thoughts. Common culture is one of the important sources of ideology. It creates harmony with respect to cultural and thought. Dear students, now come to the significance of ideology. Why ideology is so significant? Number 1 point, man has been sent to this world with some purpose. Purposeless life never gets success. The existence of nations is reflected through their ideas. Ideology is important because human have been sent to this world with some purpose, and if ideology has some significance, then it can play a vital role in his life and his career, etc. Point number 2, ideas create consciousness of purpose among nations. These are the ideologies that played a role to create consciousness of purpose among nations, among the peoples, among the communities. These ideas lead nations towards success. It is ideas that lead nation towards success. Point number 3, ideas provide foundation to any political, economic, social and cultural movement. It is ideas that provide foundations to any political, economic, social and cultural movement. Number 4, ideas are the axis around which life revolves. It is the second name of motivating force. Ideas exist and our life revolves around ideas. It's motivating force. It is a force around which our life revolves, and it's the second name of motivating force because it's depend upon ideas how much you are motivated. Number 5, ideas provide discipline to various aspects of human life. It is the ideas which provide discipline to the various aspects of human life. Number 6, ideas determine the national duties and rights. Ideas not only play a significant role, but also they determine national duties and rights. Idea is just like something which is inevitable, but nations look live the dynamic because of it. Ideas is something like which it is invisible, but nations look live and dynamic because of it. Though ideas are not visible, but it plays a greater role in our life, and we look always dynamic because of the ideology and ideas. Last point, if a nation ignores its ideas, it endangers its existence, and some new ideas to merge this nation and change its identity. If a community ignores ideas, then what happens? This nation endangers itself, and some new ideas begin to merge the nation, and with the passage of time, that nation began to lose its identity because of ignorance of its ideology. So dear